Hi guys! Hello everyone! Hello mga kamay! Welcome to our channel and good morning guys! The sky is very nice. So today is October 3, 2023. So later around 11 to 12 is the schedule of my dental appointment, which is I'm going to get my first ever upper retainer. So last time I've been already on my dental to get my first retainer, but it's kinda problem because it's not fitting well on my upper teeth. So my dentist decided to make a new mold retainer. So yeah, later I'm going to pick it up and I'm so excited. So I wish all of you guys have a wonderful day wherever you are right now. As you can see, the clouds is very nice. So it reminds us that every morning is a blessing. Every wake up is a blessing. Every day is a gift from God. So as you can see, the sunrise is over there and it's really so beautiful, just like you guys. So thank you everyone for the support and for always watching my vlogs. And yeah, join with me later and I'm going to share to all of you what is my kind of day later. And first of all, before that, it's my pleasure to watch the sunrise and do some meditation and exercise just to set my mind. And it's nice to start the day with a good heart, positive mind. And yeah, I hope all of you guys also doing your best to start your day amazing and beautiful. Send you all my love, guys. So yeah, this is my baby, guys. Her name is Adia. She is very cute and funny. She is there waiting my mom to go down from the rooftop, and she is very cute. Adia, come down, come here. She's very adorable. So guys, I need to take my breakfast. So as you can see, I have my coffee. This is instant coffee only, which is not really healthy, but sometimes it's nice to drink 3-in-1. And this is my favorite, Skyflakes, during I'm having my any kind of coffee, even black coffee. So my daughter also, she make a Japanese pancake, which is I'm so amazed because she really good to make a fluffy, soft, delicious pancake. Love you, Nak. So yeah.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So for today's video guys, after 10 days or 11 days, I'm going back to my dentist again just to pick up my upper retainer for my hair. So I'm a little bit stressed because as you can see, supposed to be there is no a little gap, but it has a little gap because it's been almost 16 days I don't wear retainer since my brace take off. So I don't know what happened. It's like I have my braces for 3 years and 11 months, and after remove my braces in just 16 days. See, this is the little gap, very tiny little gap, but I expect there's nothing. So I'm a little bit upset because yeah, it's supposed there's no anything gap. So if possible have gap, at least many few months to go, but it's just 16 days and I have already little gap there. So yeah, I don't know why. And my dentist said once the brace is off, nothing can do, so only I must wear my retainer. So it's kind of a little bit disappointed, but let's see if the retainer can maintain this gap once I wear it. But for sure it's gonna be struggle for me because when I have my lower retainer, it takes 3 months since I adapt. So what more if my upper, because when I try my first measurement of my retainer last few weeks ago, it's like I cannot talk properly. It's like shh, it's like it's too hard. My tongue is very uncomfortable in the middle of my bit, my two retainer up and down. And yeah, I will find out later. I hope the second retainer she measured for my mouth is already fit perfectly well on my upper, because I'm so stressed about it, and it is 7,000 and lower is 7,000 also. So wish me luck. And yeah, I just realized now the difference if you have braces and after braces off, because but I like it, but I did not expect to have a little tiny little gap, because before I have baby tooth in the middle, that's why I have big teeth, and 3 years and 11 months it compressed. But now after 16 days, just remove my upper, and now here we are, little gap is starting. So yeah, I hope the retainer will fix it. I hope so, not sure. But anyway, I'm going to go to my dental now because it's 9:50. I have appointment at 10:30 to 11 because the dentist is only half day today. So today is October 3, 2023, and happy October to all of you, and thanks to those who support my randomness reels and everything, and see you guys later. For now, I'm going, and have a nice day, guys.
Hi guys! So I'm here now. Welcome to FCIE Dasmariñas, Cavite. So ang ganda ng panahon guys. Gustong-gusto ko dito itong mga puno na yan. Ang lalago ng dahon nila, ang lulusog. At ang gigreen nila, super ganda. So medyo umulan guys ng konti, kaya medyo basa ang kalsada. Pero hindi siya mainit at maganda ang panahon. So good morning once again! Nandito ako guys sa FCIE. I'm on my way now sa aking dental. Yes, so ayun na naman si Jollibee. Nag-hello na naman si Jollibee. Ayan. Oh, Jollibee. Ganda na pala. Ito yung overpass. Yan ako. So ayan guys, nandito tayo sa overpass dito sa FCIE Dasmariñas, Cavite. So that way is on the way to Palapala guys. So ang ganda. Ayun si Jollibee. Hello Jollibee. Malapit lang ang dental appointment ko guys. Over there lang. So maglalakad lang ako. And yeah, hindi busy ang kalsada sa ngayon. Alam nyo ba guys, ang hilig ko, gustong-gusto kong mag-film dito sa overpass kasi nga gawa ni Jollibee. Tsaka ang ganda ng view, kitang-kita mo yung buong kapaligiran ng FCIE. So yan yung way nga papalapala, tapos andito yung papunta sa FCI, nandito yung ospital. So ayan ang person, lakad-lakad lang ang person kasi nga excited na siya para sa kanyang retainer na makuha. Ay nako Beshi, dahan-dahan, baka ikaw mahulog dyan sa hagdan. Ang taas ng hagdan na yan guys, kaloka.
On my way ako sa dental. Dahan-dahan ako kasi hagdan siya guys. Hagdan siya. Hagdan, tapos nahulog ako bigla, no? So welcome to FCIE guys, nandito na ako sa FCIE. Tapos doon yung Jollibee. Medyo maaga ako ngayon, hindi ako late. So ayan guys si Jollibee. Ayun si Jollibee. Ito guys yung problema ko. Tingnan niyo yung ngipin ko. Ito, parang may gap siya. Ayan si Jollibee guys. Andun yung FCIE. Ayan. Hello Jollibee. So, buti na lang walang ulan. Tapos doon naman yung ano, doon yung papunta sa Palapala. guys, nandito na ako. Nandito na ako sa dental. Mangdulas ng sahig. Nandito na ako. Nandito na ako. Ding dong. Good morning, Ma'am Myra. Para kay Miss Pat, yung sa retainer. Antayin ko na rin siya.
Alam niya kung ano kayo ngayon?
Opo, alam niya. Thank you.
Medyo malilate lang po ma'am kasi Amadeo pa po galing sa...
Sabi niya 11 naman. 11 to 12. Alright, thank you. So, nandito na ako guys sa dental. Ayan. 3 years and 11 months, lagi ako nandito. So, yeah. I think this is my last time. Yeah, ito yung ngipin ko. Ayan siya. Para siyang nagaw. So, nandito ang person. Kunin natin. Dito yung para sa paa. Para sa paa. Sa hulog. Kailangan kasing magsuot nito. So, ayan. Kasuot na yung paa. So, mag-aantay ako kay Doc. Hanggang 12 naman yung schedule niya. Okay na siya. Kasi tingnan mo, para siyang may ano. I'll be back later. Gantay ako patient. Alright, see you later guys. So nandito ako guys, nag-aantay. Buti walang malakas na ulan.
So, ayan guys, nakikita ninyo, ayan, yan ang perfect na dapat ganyan ang itsura ng mga ngipin natin. So, ganyan ang perfect alignment. So, yan yung example. Kaya, wala lang, pinakita ko lang sa inyo para naman may idea kayo. So, ganun ang perfect smile. Ganyan siya. O, diba? Ang ganda.
So guys, nandito na ako sa loob. Naantay ko si Doc. Ayan, mamimiss ko tong dental na to. Mamimiss ko sila. Kasi 3 years and 11 months ako dito sa kanila. So hi guys, nandito ako ngayon sa dental. Nag-aantay kay Doc. So, ang sarap mahiga ako. Aircon. Nandito ako. Oh, relax. Relaxing ako. Oh, di ba? Tulog muna ako. Kasi malayo ng lugar niya, kaya ano, mag-aantay. Hindi sila nag-accept ng mga walk-in walk-in lang. Sa mga gustong magpunta dito. Ano to? Sa Prodental.
Prodental Clinic dito sa FCIE. Hindi ko alam kung may ibang branch ng Prodental. Siguro mayroong ibang branch. Pero nandito kasi ako sa FCIE Dasmariñas, Cavite, ang Prodental na clinic. Maraming Prodental ba, be? Maraming ano?
Dalawa lang po yung branch ni Doc.
Dito,
at saka
tsaka
ito.
yun, meron daw Imos. Prodental Clinic. Si Miss Pat. So, meron sila dito. Pang ano, yan. Pang lumo. Ganun lang. Ganun lang. May gap talaga yung ngipin ko. Sana kapag nagsuot ako ng retainer, bumalik na siya sa dati. Kasi na-stress ako. Na-stress. Tulog muna ako, guys. Mamimiss ko yung lugar na to. Kasi 3 years and 11 months din akong pabalik-balik dito. Kalain mo yun. Tapos na yung brace journey ko. So, babalik na lang ako dito kapag magpalinis, magpa-check na ngipin, magpa-adjust ng retainer, gano'n. So, I'm so excited. Sigurado mamaya, magiging ngungo ako nito kapag suot ko yung retainer kasi maninibago na naman ako. Nung dati, ito sa lower ko, 2 to 3 months akong nakapag-adjust. Pero yung upper, mahirap siya, guys. Lalo na kapag mayroong gums. Mahirap talaga siya magsalita. Ngungo ka, tapos parang puro S. Ganon. Tapos, ang hirap kumain kapag nasa restaurant, kailangan siyang tanggalin, magmumumog, mag-mouthwash, or mag-toothbrush, gano'n. Kasi hindi siya pwede kapag mga pagkain ma-oily, matigas. Kaya, kakain, remove, mag-toothbrush, o diba? Ang daming hassle. Pero kailangan mong isuot yun kasi pag hindi mo siya sinuot, magkakaroon siya ng ganyan, diba? Siguro mga 15 to 16 days mula nung tinanggal to ni Doc taas. Pero nag-uwang siya. Ganoon talaga siya. So guys, I'll be back later.
A few moments later.
So ayan guys! Suot ko na yung aking retainer at ako ay ngongo na ngayon. Ngongo na. So ayan, suot ko na siya. So ayan ang itsura niya. Nahirapan ako magsalita, pero okay na. Para ako mo. Oh my goodness, hindi ako sanay. Ito na siya, guys. Bantay ako ng jeep. So, ayan guys, finally, tapos na, nakuha ko na yung aking retainer. So, ayan, pauwi na ako. At nandito ako ngayon sa gilid ng kalsada. Gandang-ganda na naman ako sa mga puno at dahon. So, nag-aantay ako ng jeep na may signboard na EPSA or Sunnybrook. And, pauwi na ako, guys. So, bago ako umuwi, nakita ko si Kuya, nagtitinda ng mga kakanin, puto, konsinta, suman, biko. So, ayun, bumili ako ng 2 klase kay Kuya, ng maha tsaka puto. Para naman at least nakadagdag ako sa kita niya ngayong araw na to. So, ayan guys, pauwi na tayo. Nakasakay na ako sa jeep. Ganyan ang view papuntang Sunnybrook. Malapit yan, located sa Asian Leap at Marabilla. So, thank you everyone for joining with me sa aking vlog. So, may mga katanungan, please don't forget to comment down below and marami pong salamat sa inyo. So, ingat po kayo lahat palagi. So, finally guys, I'm home. Nagutom ako and ayan, I decided na magluto ng oatmeal pancake na may halong banana and konting coffee. So, yung isang itlog, 2 kutsara ng konting flour, tapos ayun, oatmeal, and ayan, dito ko siya ilalagay sa lianera na ganyan, na pinunasan ko lang ng margarine. Tapos ilalagay ko siya sa aking maliit na oven toaster kasi wala akong malaking oven guys. So, ganyan lang, simple lang yan. Isang itlog lang nilagay ko guys. Tapos, ayan, ilalagay ko siya dito. Tadan! So, this is how it look like. Kung may mga nuts ka guys, almond, cashew, mas maganda kasi wala ako nun eh. Ito lang yung incomplete na ingredients ko na meron ako dito sa bahay. So, naisip ko, lagyan na lang siya ng konting saging na design sa ibabaw mamaya. Kung may cinnamon ka, mas maganda. Kung may raisin ka, mas maganda. Kaso wala ako nun, guys. So, ayan, naglagay lang ako ng maliit na slice para design. Para naman maganda naman ang setting natin. And ready to bake na siya, guys. Sa aking maliit na oven toaster. Paulit-ulit, charot. So, ayan. Ganyan na ang final outcome niya. So, ganyan na siya. Ready na siya para i-bake. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo ulit kasi gandang-ganda ako sa ginawa ko. So, ayan. Ready na siya, guys. Tadan! So, mamaya kakainin ko na siya. So, finally, guys, ayan na ang itsura ng pagmumukha ko na walang retainer at may retainer. So, ang laki, guys, na pinagbago ng aking ngipin since nag-decide ako magpa-brace. So, everything is worth it. The money, the effort, the patience, and everything. And this is one of the best gift I ever had in my life. So, ayan. Thanks guys for watching and see you on my next vlog. Bye guys!